So once you've tried out these techniques, the next step is to start preparing the colours that you're going to use for your observational drawing. Now I am drawing a pineapple. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to select the colours that I think will be useful for drawing this object. And actually, obviously, well, there's the green part at the top here, but I'm just focusing on this part at the moment, and I'm going to identify which colours I can use for that and just do a bit of practice. So looking carefully at my object, so I'll have it in front of me here. I'm going to try out the different colours that I have in my pencil set. Now, depending on what kind of a set you have, you may have more or less to choose from. Hopefully you've got a set which does have a few of each colour in there, so a few yellows, a few blues, a few reds and so on. So what you're going to do is, in your sketchbook, I just want you to get a feel for what those colours look like when they come out on your paper, so that you are well prepared when you do your pencil study of your object. So I'm going to begin with this yellow, and I just want you to create some samples in your sketchbook so you can see what it looks like when you press really heavily, what it looks like when you press really lightly, maybe how they blend, and you can just practice and identify which colours are going to be suitable, because sometimes we don't know which colours will be suitable until we actually apply them to the paper. So I'm doing the same thing I did before, where I'm pressing harder and through to lighter. Okay, so I can get a feel for the colour and whether it's going to be suitable. So I can already see that this kind of yellow is going to be suitable for some of the parts of the pineapple, but it will need to be blended because I don't see this colour as it is in the pineapple at all. It will most likely be a case of blending it with another colour. So now I'm going to see what it looks like when I blend it with a light brown. Now it's a good idea as well to, once you have tried a sample, write down the pencil number. Okay, so if I look on this pencil, I can see that it has number 6. So I'm just going to write a number 6 there so that I know later what colour that was when I'm choosing my colours. Now I'm going to try blending a 6 with the golden brown 59. Okay. And again, just note down the numbers for later. Okay, that will be very useful. So as you can see, I'm just going through and figuring out which colours may be suitable for the pineapple. Now, later, when I actually draw it, this will be really useful because I will be able to match the colours to the object exactly, and I will know what the colours will look like when they come out on my paper.